Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have come up with another very good company that provides freelancing opportunities. So the company name is rev.com. So let's get started. You can just type rev.com on your Google, and then here's the company website. You can just see that this is a transcription services company. The company provides transcription services to its clients. And then here it says become a freelancer and work on your own terms. So they have around 70,000 freelancers who work for them for caption and transcribing and subtitle content. So you can start from here. You can just click on the become a freelancer button and you will get this page. So here it says Freelancer Jobs let you work from anywhere, and you can earn money transcribing, captioning and subtitling from anywhere, anytime. So you can have like plenty of benefits working for rev.com, and like you have like flexible working hours. You can choose, you have the ability, you will have the opportunity to choose any job that you might interest, and the payment is weekly through PayPal, so it is secure. And yeah, these are the profiles. That there is one for transcriptionist and there is one for captioner. So for transcriptionists, you just have to listen to the audio and video, and then you need to accurately type what is being said and then label speakers. So the range of pay is between $0.30 to $1.10 per audio per video minute. And for captioner, so you just need to like watch a video, and you can accurately type what is being said, and then the payment ranges between $0.54 to $1.10 per audio or per video minutes. You can start in 3 easy steps. So the first steps, you are required to take a quiz. They will just check your like English grammar skills, and then in step number 2, it is required like you need to submit a transcription or caption sample. So that like they will review that, and if they find that you are like eligible, then you will get approved, and you can start like you can register yourself on the platform and then start earning right away. So yes, I think it is done. So you can, yes, so if you are interested, you can just go and sign up to be a freelancer, and like you will find this opportunity very exciting, and it is flexible. It has like stable payment. It has a secure payments options, and you will be able to choose like you will be able to make your schedule if you want to work for Rev as a transcriptionist or as a captionist, and you will have the flexibility of working even from home or from anywhere. So I hope like this can be a perfect side hustle or a perfect part-time or freelance job for anyone who wish to work from home or work from anywhere. So it is very good. I think it would be a very good option for stay-at-home moms, for any person who is a retiree and still want to work or earn, and or like people who wish to have a like part-time job apart from their 9 to 5 job. So this opportunity can be a very good option for them. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will come up with another exciting opportunity for you in my another video. So keep watching and subscribe to the channel.